Hi everybody. Now my normal sandbox is down and this isn't going to have quite the message we want, but you can use your imagination a little bit. What I'm doing is, again, with the phone call and the text messages, why can't we merge the two and send an adaptive card through WebeX with a link to the latest records and an MP3 file that could be played over the phone or over WebeX. So it has the mix of the contextual business-ready document and context around what interfaces are down, and a voice message for convenience. Now I'm just going to click WebEx here, and it's spinning up here, and in this channel where I've decided, right, bang, and I can say learn latest interfaces, and it takes me, and we see that these are down. Now I haven't quite worked it out yet, but inside of the WebEx you'll see this will actually say the device and the interface that are down in the description. I'm working that out in the timestamp. But we can listen to the MP3.
Hello, at the 10th of November.
Right? And also, if we look at my phone in my WebEx, it's going to be hard for me to show you this, but it's at the top of my WebEx list now. And I click on there, and there's the beautiful adaptive card. And if I click on, Learn MP3.
At the 10th of November,
right, so
2020.
And I could even click on the hyperlink if I turn on my port forwarding and on my phone have the text. Yeah, it's pretty cool, right? All right, we'll see you soon.